About to feed the fat bullocks at the big shed on the back here, the old Dukes. This Dukes is approximately 100 horse, old Agro Primer. And then I've got the Tarup 514 on the back here, Caverland. About to take apart the old wagon and this wagon and mix the two together to make one good wagon, which has been going well for around a year now, maybe less than that, but that was a big day job, that one. So all these guys are Holstein Friesian crosses and some Aberdeen Angus Limousine. Coming up through the ranks, we've got some Belgian Blues starting now, so they're actually looking quite good as calves, so we might put more in calf to Belgies. We've got an escapee calf here, must have got through the barrier in there. Be sure to subscribe to my main YouTube for more farming videos.